За честь и за своих.
Bro, you know, you everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. So I'll be reacting to Diana Ankudinova Return the Memory. So I'm wondering what this video is about because I've heard the term return the memory. So this is giving me let's see, a hint of what this video may detail about. Hopefully my intuitions are correct. Alright, so with that being said, let's hear what Diana have in store for us today. Very beautiful dress though. She's amazing. She looks well in black, I ain't gonna lie. She looks very well in black, bro. Okay, so I guess this is in English while she's singing. So this says, let's remember the brothers, those who shed the world with their bodies. I mean, like shed the world with their bodies, right? The blood, right? The person who went to fight for the citizens of Russia. I can see here where these people, right, are the soldiers who have lost their life displaying on the screen here, bro. And you know, the soldiers have to fight for the country to make the country be a better place, bro. Alright, and to see all this, RIP to all those soldiers who have lost their life. You know, God bless you, God keep you throughout. Because, you know, this is a very sad time to live where people sent their family member out there to war to protect the country and other people. That's tragic, bro. Right, you know, and the war keeps on going and going and going. And it is very sad. Very sad.
Кто нас собой закрыл, про личный свой успех, для нас навек забыл, помянем их мольбой.
Let us remember them with prayers, so that those may forgive. Very good. Very good. Alright, so let us remember those with prayers, so that others can forgive. You know, forgiveness is a very beautiful thing. Right, you know, with all revenge, everything, bro, you know, it's good to forgive, bro. And you know, let's all forgive others because we are human and no one's perfect. Everyone have their flaws, is dog. Like, so love is a very beautiful thing. We have it, bro. Let us love each other. Let us love the neighbors as ourselves, man.
Чтобы простили те, кто нас не взял с собой, оставив на земле.
So let us forgive those who didn't take us with them while leaving Earth. Bro, these messages are now this is so sad, bro. This is so sad.
На земле помянем их 100 крат.
Let's remember them 100 feel with both glass and tear. RIP to all those who lost their life, bro.
И горечью наград. Ой, помянем стоя все, склонившись над травой.
Bro, there's so much people who are grieving at this point. And you know, to see all those people who are grieving, right, it saddens my heart to see how much soldiers lost their life in wars, bro. And they left the light where it hides behind in the darkness, bro. Right? It's sad. It's really sad, bro. It's really, really sad. You know? So much people out there lost in their life, bro. In wars, bro. I pray God bless and keep all those family members who have lost someone, bro. Trust me.
Свет прячется за мглой. Верните память, верните сами.
Return the memory, come back yourselves. Alright? It is return the memory, come back to yourselves, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Memories is a very powerful thing, especially when you lost someone who we really love, who are looking forward to return home and they haven't, bro. So only the memory lives on there, bro. And it's sad. It's sad. RIP to all those who lost someone, and keep on living, because life doesn't stop here, bro. Life is just life and beyond.
Я отмолю вас всех слезами.
Imagine someone is saying, right, I would pray for you with tears, bro. Like, tears is a language that God understands. So he'll definitely understand. All right? Because they are crying out. They are pouring out their feelings, bro. Because they lose someone who they are not going to see back. Like, no time in life, bro. Trust me, it's sad, dog. It's really sad.
Земля и небо слились навечно. Как это больно, бесчеловечно. Протянем руки к тем.
Let's reach out to those whose eyes are full with tears, because we have a lot of people crying because they lost someone. So let's reach out to them. Let's pray for them. Let's have them in our wings. Let us cover them. Let us keep them warm. Give them the love they require, because in that instant, the loved one who they're really interested into, hug them and keep them, is no longer in existence. So let us reach out to them, love them, keep them, show them love they deserve. Let's live, bro. Because life is just more than this, as we expected.
Глаза честно полны, чей дом осиротел от ужаса беды. Помянем их, прошу.
Let's remember them. I beg you. Let's remember them with peace. Okay, so let's not forget about the ones who died for us. Let's remember them with love and peace. I beg of you. Damn, Diana, you are a superstar here.
Помянем и миром их, погибших за страну, за честь и за своих.
Those who perish for the country, for honor, and for their own. Blessings to everyone, bro. Blessings. Blessings. Love is such a beautiful thing, bro. And the ones who perish for the country, the one who fight for the country to make sure the country is in a better state, those are heroes. So let's not forget about them. Let's all remember those heroes. Let us honor those heroes, bro.
Верните память, верните сами. Я отмолю вас всех слезами. Земля и небо.
Bro, let's remember them, bro. Right? Let's pray for them with tears. The earth and sky merge forever. Yeah, so the people on earth and the people who have died, risen in the sky, will be no one. They'll merge forever. Both earthlings and both heaven individuals will now merge, so they'll never be forgotten.
Слились навечно, как это больно, бесчеловечно.
Guys, it's really sad to see so much people having emotions. I can tell that some of these people who are here in that arena, wherever they are, bro, they are feeling it. Each person who is standing here lost a loved one, an individual who was very close to them, alright? And to see so much people dying, bro, just to protect the country, it's sad, bro. And the thing is, there's no better for them, because they are soldiers. They are made to protect this country from those scumbags, bro. Trust me, dog, it's sad.
ночи слез полны, чей дом осиротел от ужаса беды. Помянем их, прошу, помянем миром их, погибших за страну, за честь и за своих.
Bro, it is sad, bro. Those soldiers will never be back on earth again, bro. RIP to all those beautiful soldiers, bro. I'm so sorry, Russians. I'm so sorry. I can feel this pain that you all are feeling so far away from Jamaica, bro. I'm so sorry.
Вспомним всех поименно, горем вспомним своим. Это нужно не мертвым, это надо живым.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. And RIP to all those soldiers who has lost their lives, bro. It's sad and it's never be forgotten. Alright? And my prayers goes out to each and every individuals who has lost someone. Keep strong, keep on praying, and better days will come. Better days are ahead of you. Okay? So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another content, man.